The Ryerson International Hyperloop Team created the Hyperloop deployable wheel system for the SpaceX Hyperloop competition. With the support of our corporate sponsors, such as Cadenis Parts Solutions, the Aerospace Industries Association, and the IHS Markets, we were able to win the Subsystem Innovation Award at the SpaceX Hyperloop competition in January 2016.
I can confidently say that a key part of Ryerson's International Hyperloop Team's success was attributed to the use of the Aerospace Industries Association NAS 3D digital database, which enabled us to access the Aerospace Industries Association's standards with 3D models. We then applied these 3D models in our native CATIA application to the Hyperloop deployable wheel system concept. To give you an idea of how important standard parts are in our design, one Hyperloop deployable wheel system consisted of over 200 parts, 160 of which were standard parts, and of that 160, over 120 were NAS AIA standard hardware parts. In fact, the AIA NAS standard parts represent over 58% of our total part count. We had the ability and the time to generate detailed part drawings, assembly drawings, and even perform classical and FEA analysis on each of our components. Well, using Cadenis Parts Solutions 3D digital database, it allowed us to compete with larger teams in the Hyperloop competition. We were only a very small team of 6. Other teams were formed 50 to 100 students. So we were at a big disadvantage, but having access to that 3D digital database allowed us to not only increase the quality of our design by using aerospace standards, but it also allowed us to work very quickly, experiment. We could drop parts in, swap them out very quickly without the effort of remodeling and changing the parts ourselves. So we're very grateful for their support, and we hope to work with them in the future.